Now we're going to see how to make a bird feeder. For this we need a flute board and about 24 ice cream sticks. So we take the Fevicol and apply it at the base, the corners, and place the stick here. Now now just put it at the edge of all the four sides and take sticks and place it here. There might be some gaps, that's fine. If the gaps are there, it's fine. So this is how we're going to make the thing. So you take another and you place it this way this time. So you keep placing the ice cream sticks alternately, horizontal and vertical. This is about 2 layers that we've made. We need to make at least about 6, good enough for the grains to be inside. So we have made it ready just to show it to you. This is how it should look. So we made it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layered. Quite sturdy, and Fevicol takes a little while to stick, but once it's stuck it's quite sturdy. Now to hang it to the tree, we use 4 strings and we tie them at the center. So let us take 2 like this and so take the center part of it and make a knot here. Now we just have to make it like a little, the base has to be correct, so we just tie the knots like this. And here this one. So the base should be stronger. Just tie some knots so that it stays. These are nylon threads, might not stay as we need. And this. Yeah, so we have this base ready. Now we can go one more step further and we now tie these 2, trying to make a net out of it so it doesn't move. So you can still go on, you can make another round if you wish to, but I think this is good enough. So now we place this here right in the center, and you can also insert it from here. So all the 4 directions we inserted. So that it doesn't fall off the tree. Now the last one here. Turn this and keep it right in the center. This can be in the center. So accordingly, pull the now we have to take it up. And hang it. This is how it is going to look. The variation to this could be that you tie a little longer, you put a knot, so once this is done, you can tie it a little longer, and then have a water thing also done. You can similar way you can have the water. This I have made it a little small, so ideally it would look like this at a higher level. So we can tie hold it here and again tie the way we made the base here. Similarly, we make the base here and take another step. So it will be a double layered bird feeder. This is for the grains and this will be for the water. As we know, the summer this time is quite hot in Bangalore, so this will definitely help the birds to have food and drink water, sufficient water.